Hi, welcome to Data Education. I'm Jessica Novell, the Sales Operations Manager, and this is Richard Lutz, our Corporate Trainer. Today we're going to be talking to you about the Loan Audit module. So Richard, what is the Loan Audit module?
Well, Jessica, Loan Audit is an add-on module.
Okay.
It's particularly useful for a manager who's moved up from the pawn desk or the counter and is now having to track employee activity.
Sure.
Certainly we can do that with the reports, but with Loan Audit, we get a visual way of reviewing the day's activity.
Great. So tell me some of the benefits of using the Loan Audit module.
Certainly. With the Loan Audit module, as I mentioned, the new manager or existing managers are able to review the day's activity. They go to Pawn By, Loan Audit, select the current day, or a date range if they choose. When they do that, it brings up all the loans that were performed that day and the buys as well.
Great.
If you can, as you can see, if the picture was taken, a thumbnail appears on the screen. This allows us to enlarge it and view the picture as the employee took it.
Okay.
We can see the item as it was described, if there was any additional information recorded, and if the employee binned it and how much they loaned or paid for this item.
Great.
We then are able to hit next item and view the next item on the ticket.
Wow.
And we can continue through the entire day that way. We can view item after item.
Great.
Once we're done, we know that the employee did what they were supposed to do and the items are what they described.
Perfect. So it seems like a great way for them to make sure that the employees are doing what they're supposed to be doing every transaction. Exactly.
We want to make sure that every employee describes each item fully and completely, that they locate it if that's one of their jobs. How much did they loan? What did they value the item at if they did that?
Sure. Are they taking pictures?
Exactly.
No surprises is basically what's this preventing, right?
Right. And because if your manager started out working on the counter, this is a review. This looks exactly the way it appeared when they were doing the job themselves. So there's no surprises there.
Great. So to recap, the Loan Audit module is a very easy to use anti-fraud tool. It's best for stores with multiple employees and is a way for managers to monitor employees' transactions, making sure everything is done correctly. Well, thank you, Richard, for showing us that. And thank you for tuning in to this episode of Data Education. We'll see you next time.